Ever wondered if there are crypto coins out there with the potential to skyrocket, not just double, but 50 times? Imagine waking up to see a coin you researched explode in value. But let's get real. Crypto is packed with hype and wild speculation. So how do you separate the winners from the hundreds of coins that fade away? That's where Crypto Insider comes in. Today I'll break down 5 coins, from foundational giants to hidden gems, that could, under the right conditions, see exponential growth. This isn't about guarantees, it's about understanding the landscape and making smarter decisions. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Let's start with Polkadot, a project that's quietly shaping the future of blockchain, even if it doesn't always make the headlines. In a world where hype often overshadows substance, Polkadot stands out for its vision and engineering. It's one of the most underrated projects in crypto, often overlooked by those chasing the next big meme coin or the latest trend. But beneath the surface, Polkadot is building something far more important. While most investors are distracted by flashy coins promising overnight riches, Polkadot is quietly constructing the digital highways that will connect the entire blockchain ecosystem. Imagine a world where blockchains don't operate in isolation, but instead communicate seamlessly, sharing data, assets, and value across networks. That's the future Polkadot is enabling. Interoperability is key. Polkadot's technology allows different blockchains to interact and exchange information, breaking down the silos that have limited crypto's potential. It's setting up the infrastructure for crypto's next evolution, where collaboration and connectivity drive real-world adoption. Many overlook Polkadot because it's not flashy or hyped up on social media. It doesn't promise instant gains or wild speculation. But sometimes, the most valuable investments are the ones quietly working in the background, laying the groundwork for the entire industry. Think of Polkadot as investing in the roads and bridges of the crypto world, not just the cars that drive on them. Infrastructure may not be glamorous, but it's absolutely essential, and often, it's the foundation that delivers the biggest returns over time. For Polkadot to make a 50x move, it would take a massive bull cycle and widespread mainstream adoption. That's a tall order, but in crypto, the unexpected is always possible. The market has a way of surprising even the most seasoned investors. We've seen coins explode in value overnight, and projects once ignored suddenly become the talk of the industry. In this space, surprises happen when you least expect them. According to Crypto Insider's research, Polkadot is more than just another coin. It's a bet on the future of blockchain interaction, a platform designed to unlock new possibilities for developers, businesses, and users alike. If you're looking for a foundational piece in your portfolio with real long-term upside, Polkadot deserves a closer look. It's a project built for the future, not just the next hype cycle. We'll keep tracking Polkadot's progress as it continues to evolve and expand its ecosystem, monitoring key developments and partnerships that could drive its next big move. And as always, we'll let you know when the fundamentals shift, so you can stay ahead of the curve in the ever-changing world of crypto. Now, let's shift gears to Dexup, a low-cap coin that's quickly gaining attention for its explosive potential and wild price swings. In the ever-evolving world of crypto, Dexup stands out as a project that's both exciting and unpredictable, drawing in risk-takers and thrill-seekers alike. Think of Dexup as a roller coaster, thrilling, unpredictable, and definitely not for the faint of heart. Every day can feel like a new ride, with the price soaring to dizzying heights one moment and plunging the next. The adrenaline rush is real, and so are the risks. Because it's a low-cap coin, even small trades can send the price rocketing up or crashing down. This means that Dexup's market is highly sensitive to investor sentiment, news, and even rumors. A single tweet or announcement can trigger massive moves, making it a playground for both savvy traders and those who love a challenge. On a good day, you might witness jaw-dropping gains, sometimes double-digit percentage jumps in just hours. These are the moments that attract fortune hunters, hoping to catch the next big wave and ride it to impressive profits. But on a bad day, the drop is fast and unforgiving. Losses can pile up just as quickly as gains, and it's easy to get caught off guard if you're not prepared. The emotional roller coaster can be intense, testing your nerves and your discipline. That's why having a solid strategy is absolutely essential. Set clear profit targets, use stop losses to protect your capital, and never go all in on a single trade. Managing your risk is the key to surviving and thriving on this wild ride. Remember, discipline and planning can make all the difference between success and regret. Dexer's unique features, innovative technology, and rapidly growing community could be the spark that ignites a breakout. As more people discover and talk about Dexer, the potential for a major rally increases. Community support and buzz can drive momentum, sometimes leading to unexpected surges. But remember, hype can vanish just as quickly as it appears. The crypto space is notorious for its short attention span, and what's hot today can be forgotten tomorrow. Staying grounded and realistic is crucial. Only allocate funds you can truly afford to lose. Treat Dexer as a high-risk, high-reward opportunity, not a guaranteed win. Protect your financial well-being by sticking to your budget and avoiding emotional decisions. And most importantly, don't fall in love with the coin. Stay objective, and be ready to walk away if the situation changes. Emotional attachment can cloud your judgment and lead to costly mistakes. Crypto Insider will keep you updated on the latest signals, trends, and news to watch. We'll help you navigate the twists and turns, so you're never caught off guard by sudden moves or breaking developments. If you're ready for the ride, buckle up. Dexer moves fast, and the next big opportunity could be just around the corner. Stay sharp, stay informed, and enjoy the thrill of the crypto roller coaster. Next up is Dogelon Mars, a coin driven by narrative, not tech. Like viral memes, it wins on attention and community hype, not utility. In euphoric markets, memes can outperform logic. Just look at Dogecoin's history. Dogelon Mars combines two powerful buzzwords, Elon and Mars, for irresistible branding. But meme coins can disappear as fast as they appear, so play smart. Treat it like musical chairs. Enjoy the run, but always look for your exit and take profits along the way. These coins are risky, so never bet more than you can afford to lose. Dogelon Mars could go parabolic, but don't be the last one holding the bag. Now let's talk about Mubarak Coin, the scrappy startup of this list. Early-stage coins like this are high risk, high reward. Sometimes they become unicorns, sometimes they vanish. Think of Mubarak Coin as a tech startup, experimental, unproven, but with huge upside if it catches on. Watch for momentum signals, growing community, exchange listings, and new partnerships. Crypto Insider tracks these indicators to spot potential breakouts. With early-stage coins, make small, calculated bets. Never more than you can afford to lose. If Mubarak Coin takes off, even a tiny position could pay off big. Play it smart, keep risks in check, and you might hit the jackpot. Finally, let's talk about Salaxicoin, the hidden gem quietly waiting for its moment to shine in the crypto world. While everyone's attention is glued to the big names and trending tokens, Salaxicoin sits beneath the surface, overlooked by most but packed with potential. It's the kind of project that doesn't make headlines every day, but for those who know where to look, it's a rare opportunity. These are the coins that can explode if they catch the right trend. Think AI, sustainability, or the next big tech breakthrough. When a narrative like artificial intelligence or green technology takes off, coins like Salaxicoin can ride that wave and deliver outsized returns. It's all about timing and being positioned before the crowd catches on. Most investors overlook these hidden gems simply because they lack flashy marketing or celebrity endorsements. But all it takes is one catalyst, a partnership, a major exchange listing, or a viral news story, to spark a massive rally and turn an underdog into a star performer. Finding these hidden gems isn't easy. It takes real research, patience, and a willingness to dig deeper than most. You have to analyze the fundamentals, study the team, and look for signs of real innovation or community growth. It's a process that rewards curiosity and persistence. That's where tools like Crypto Insider come in. By tracking on-chain activity, developer updates, and community engagement, you can spot these opportunities before they hit the mainstream. Staying ahead of the curve means watching for subtle signals that others might miss. Of course, most hidden gems never get discovered or fail to deliver on their promise. That's why it's crucial to keep your exposure limited and never bet more than you can afford to lose. Diversification and risk management are key when hunting for the next breakout star. Think of investing in hidden gems like planting seeds. Most won't sprout, and some may never see the light of day. But every once in a while, one seed grows into something extraordinary, potentially life-changing if you were there early. If Salaxicoin starts gaining traction, maybe it trends on social media or gets picked up by influencers, be ready to act. But remember, Don't chase after the crowd or FOMO in at the top. The best gains come from being prepared before the hype. Salaxicoin could be the next big thing, or it might just be another rock on the trail. The real skill is knowing how to spot the difference, and having the courage to take a chance when you see true potential. So, what's the real takeaway? Every coin comes with its own risk and reward profile. The key isn't just picking coins but building a strategy that fits your goals and risk tolerance. Crypto Insider is here to cut through the hype and give you the tools to navigate this market. No one can predict the future, but with research and a thoughtful approach, you can stack the odds in your favor. Stay smart, stay safe, and keep exploring the world of crypto with confidence.